Alex and Alexa walked through a bright green meadow, holding a small basket. The morning sun shone, and a soft breeze made the flowers dance. Suddenly, Alex whispered, "Alexa, do you hear that sound?" As they listened, they entered a cozy farmyard. Alexa sang, "Baa Baa, black sheep, have you any wool?" The black sheep nodded happily. The sheep replied, yes sir, 3 bags full." It happily gave 1 bag to the kind farmer. Next, the sheep brought a bag to a gentle lady knitting on a farmhouse porch, who smiled gratefully. Finally, the sheep brought the last bag to a little boy down a sunny lane. Alex and Alexa smiled beside them. With all the wool shared, the black sheep, Alex, and Alexa danced joyfully in the meadow. The entire farm glowed with happiness as the black sheep proudly nodded, "It's good deed complete." The entire farm glowed with happiness as the black sheep proudly nodded, "It's good deed complete." Alexa exclaimed, "Wow! Look, the wool turned into clouds." Then, the black sheep bowed politely, and the children waved goodbye. "Good morning, sun, we're ready to play, let's find the rainbow far away." Wind is blowing, clouds drift by, colors hiding in the sky. Raindrops falling, pitter-pat, sheep wears a tiny woolly hat. Look, a rainbow, red to blue, let's learn colors, me and you. Red like apples, orange like sun, yellow smiles, learning's fun. Green like trees, blue like sky, purple butterflies flutter by. Woolly sheep turns bright and fair, colors shining everywhere. Dance and twirl, spin around, magic colors all around. Take this color, keep it near, share with friends you love so dear. Rainbow gone, but hearts still bright, woolly wonder says goodnight.